Okay, this is going to be a quick, straightforward tutorial on how to mine Verge. We are mining Verge on a Windows machine with a GTX 1060 using CCMiner. Now, Verge is a multi-algorithm coin, so you may have to check which algorithm would be best for your a particular card. Nvidia's generally do best with the X17 algorithm, so that is what we are using here. So how did we get this set up? We went to the CCMiner GitHub page, which I will link in the description, and we downloaded the relevant version for our Windows, which in this case I'm on a 64-bit machine. If you're on 32-bit, you'd need to download the second link over here. Once this is downloaded, you will extract it to a location of your choice. I generally put my miners in C software and then just have a folder named the default name. Don't change that. Once you have extracted all the files into the folder, right click and create new text document. Give it a name that you can distinguish, possibly maybe the pool. So in this case we are going to be mining on YiiMP. YiiMP. Don't know if I'm saying that right. So I'm calling it start YiiMP, leaving it as a text file for now, and I will open it to edit it, and in here I will paste the code needed for getting it to mine. I'll link this also in the description. So what does this code do? It first starts the exe. It sets the algorithm, so X17. Then it sets the difficulty. I've put it to 18. That seems to work pretty well for me. Over here we've got the pool server. Now YiiMP, I believe, is only EU. For the X17 there are actually two ports that you can use. There is the 3777 and there's the 3737. Now they've actually seen quite a lot of people coming to mine, so the 3737 would reject your mining. It would not let you connect to the server before, so they actually set up the 3777, which I find has actually been working well for me. Then over here you've got your Verge wallet address and the name of your miner. Now if you have multiple machines connecting to the same wallet address, you may want to have this here so that you can troubleshoot. So you can call it like .1, .2, .3 and so on. Or you can even leave it out. We can take it out in this case. Then by the password, the P, you will put your currency equal to Verge. And I've just put on a new line pause just to troubleshoot the command prompt. If it gets stuck, it'll just close. So in this case, you're leaving it open if you put a pause. Right, so now we can go and save. Of course, just as another reminder, just make sure you do change the wallet to your own wallet, otherwise you will be mining for me. So save, we can close this, and we can close the miner that I had open, just to start our new miner here. So the last step is to rename the text file to a BAT. Yes, I want to rename it, and now when you start it, it will show that it's connecting to the server. And the next thing you want to see is your hash rate, to make sure that it is connecting and mining fine. Okay, there we go, it's got a job and we've got the hash rate. Okay, great. So how do we actually know that it's mining for sure? We go to the YiiMP Pool website and you'll put in your wallet address and you can then see your mining. So I've only been mining for a short while on this address, and you can see over here the details of all the miners that are connected, all the workers. So we are now mining Verge. Now that was relatively easy to set up. Verge's wallet is actually a little bit more difficult to set up, and I might do another video on how to set up a wallet for Verge. Alternatively, you can use a wallet address on an exchange for now, but I don't recommend this, as then you are putting your coins in the hands of the exchange, and if something happens to them, then you will lose your coins. So I might do that video for how to create a Verge wallet on your computer at a later stage. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.